Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Wall Street close. Wall Street's bulls taking on the gap. Target all-time highs. http ntvforex.com news ID 94A697. 25 minutes ago. By Ross J. Berland. The S&P 500 SPX gained 18.78 points, or 0.58%, to 3,276.08. Nasdaq added 25.76 points, or 0.24%, to 10,706.13. Dow Jones Industrial Average DJI rose 165.26 points, or 0.62%, to 27,005.66. U.S. benchmarks ended the session higher on Wednesday, and in the case of the S&P 500, it is on course to fill in the gap. Stocks were choppy on the back of mixed earnings, U.S. stimulus debates, U.S. violent protests, the spread of the virus vs the hopes of a vaccine and expectations of higher inflation. The major stock indexes oscillated for much of the day, but the three major indexes ended in the green. The Nasdaq had the smallest gain, capped by a drop in Amazon.com shares. The index added 25.76 points, or 0.24%, to 10,706.13. The S&P 500 SPX gained 18.78 points, or 0.58%, to 3,276.08. The Dow Jones Industrial Average DJI rose 165.26 points, or 0.62%, to 27,005.66. Tesla earnings. Tesla reported its first full year of GAAP profits, along with second quarter results Wednesday. During the period ending June 30, 2020, Elon Musk's electric car company grappled with the effects of a COVID-19 pandemic on its U.S. employees and factory operations, especially. Tesla said its revenue reached $6.04 billion during the quarter. Earnings. Tesla Q2 EPS $2.18 adjective versus 3 cents EST. Q2 revs $6.04 billion versus $5.37 billion EST. TSLA https://TOUPYTD20VSRPIC.twitter.com NX9J50 MTGWCNBC Now at CNB Now July 22, 2020. S&P 500 movers. S&P 500 top movers. HCA soars after company reports nearly 38% increase in Q2 profit. U.S. death toll to nearly 142,000. As for the virus, the latest figures showed more than 1,000 deaths in the United States from COVID-19 on Tuesday, bringing the total death toll to nearly 142,000. Experts warned that numbers will rise further due to a surge in new infections. Congressional Democrats and Republicans remain divided on the details of a new stimulus package expected to cost $1 trillion or more, less than 2 weeks before extended benefits are due to expire for millions of unemployed Americans. On the economic front, U.S. housing sales continued to recover. They arrived up 20.7% in June to $4.72 million. Sales are still about 20% below pre-COVID levels. Forex today. Forex today. $S decline continued on U.S. Sino tensions, coronavirus. The dollar continued to shed ground against most of its major rivals, but the JPY, reaching fresh multi-month lows across the board. The greenback decoupled from equities, with Asian and European indexes down and US ones mixed on the day. The decline seems a continuation on Tuesday's unidirectional movement. Commodity Watch. The inflation playbook and technical breakout are sending gold price on a rampage. Bulls are targeting all-time highs with a 1-2 risk-to-reward ration at current market levels, stop below bullish reverse head and shoulder S structure. Gold price analysis. Bulls break out of reverse hourly head amp shoulders to fresh highs of $1,870. SP 500 levels. Overview. Today last price. 3,257.5. Today daily change. 16.75. Today daily change percent 0.51. Today daily open 3274.25. Trends. Daily SMA 20 3152.6. Daily SMA 50 3089.01. Daily SMA 100 2903.5. Daily SMA 200 3043.37. Levels. Previous daily high 3282. Previous daily low 3263.5. Previous weekly high 3242.5. Previous weekly low 3129.25. Previous monthly high 3233.25. Previous monthly low 2936.5. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 3274.93. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 3270.57. Daily Pivot Point S1. 3264.5. Daily Pivot Point S2. 3254.75. Daily Pivot Point S3. 3246. Daily Pivot Point R1. 3283. Daily Pivot Point R2. 3291.75. Daily Pivot Point R3. 3301.5. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.